Here's a 600 belt fed with the cover off. First thing we're going to want to do is drop the air so this gate falls away. Next thing you know, we want to release this handle that holds the tray in. Then we can pull the tray all the way out. You see how that comes all the way out? Now, we are going to loosen these two with the slots. We are going to loosen this jamb, and we're going to back this out to give us room so that we can move this belt in. And we got to do this on both sides. Of course, this scale isn't quite complete, so I can walk around and show that that exists on both sides. You might want to do that before you open the drawer. Now, we're going to take off these two bolts here. And there's that spacer. And at the front here, under the shaft, there and there, we're going to take those two bolts out. And there's that spacer there. That spacer will come out. That spacer will come out. And then with the belt all loose, we can pull it out under that spot there. You might have to support it. Here, this is where I was talking about using some type of screwdriver or something to support it, because it will have the weight of the motor on it. And that belt will slip out and over the motor. Now we take the new belt and we slip it back over the motor under this point, and obviously this point up here too. Slip that belt all the way on, and then we are going to retension it with our tensioners. Hopefully the belt is approximately the same. You might want to mark where you started, but as far as a measurement goes, a good measurement is from the back of this collar here, because there's one of those collars on both sides. Okay, from the back of this collar here, use a tape measure and measure to the center, or quite possibly the edge of this, a good reference point that you can find on both sides of the scale. And that way we can make sure it's square. The self-tracking mechanism, you can hardly see it in there, and there's no way you can align it. Anyway, Shorty, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.